Here's how you upload a video to Lens. First, we're on the Lens homepage here. You're going to come up to New Video and click on Upload Video. Here you can either drag your video or click the Upload button, find the one you want, make sure it's an MP4 format. Then click Upload. You're going to have to sign it in your MetaMask that this is the video you want to upload. You go ahead and type in the title you want to use. This is a video that I'd previously uploaded before. You type in the title and then the description. This is interesting. You can type in who you want to collect your video. You can set it to anyone, subscribers, none. You can set the limit, a whole bunch of different settings in there that you can play around with. Then you're going to want to pick the category. There's everything from science to nonprofits to film, comedy, and I chose education. There's another box, anyone can comment and mirror. I keep that one checked right there. You're going to want to click on the box that has the right thumbnail for you, and you can either choose to upload to IPFS or you can choose to upload it to Arweave. I did IPFS because it's free. And then you're going to click on Upload, and now it's uploading here. We can see the link that it's showing at, and it's posting the video. This is in fast forward, so it will take a minute to upload, and then you'll see the screen and your video has been uploaded and it should start to autoplay. That's how you upload to Lens.